Hello my friends, and welcome back to another product review. This one came a little beat up, so it's a good thing that it's a steel stand or aluminum, because that's pretty rough. Now the weird thing was the actual packaging was in pristine condition, so I assumed this happened before in a warehouse somewhere, but it looks like everything should be alright since it's aluminum. So let's go ahead and show you what it looks like, guys. They do provide you with an instruction manual, but it's very simple. Here we go. Press here to lift this up, and then you would press in here to set this however you would want it. So just like that. That's how it would go. So what's nice about this is you press and hold the button here, and you can turn it, as you guys can see, the whole way, all this different position. You can press this button down under here. You can extend this out. And there's a third button down here that allows you to extend this up as well. So you can put this on many different ways and positions and fold it. That is definitely really nice. So the fact that you don't have to put this together, it's already made, already put together, is really nice, my friends. So we're gonna set this up again, and we're gonna demonstrate this for you guys how it works. So it depends on how you want to position it. So just like that, as you guys can see. This is a big laptop, and it holds it perfectly fine. Position it however you want. You want it down almost even on the ground, you can do that. We just then have to rotate this back just a little bit. Obviously, however you want to have it, you can set it up. Many positions that you guys can set this up as. So it's all going to depend on how you want to set it up. But honestly, I love this. This is going to come in handy for us. Very happy, very impressed with this.